What if I told you that some foods you eat every day could actually help fight cancer? Naturally? Yes, it's true. Scientists have found that certain foods can help starve cancer cells by cutting off their food supply. And the best part? These are simple, tasty foods you can find at your local store. Stick around because number 3 might already be in your kitchen. And it's a powerful cancer fighter you never expected. First, broccoli. Broccoli is one of the best vegetables for fighting cancer. It contains a powerful compound called sulforaphane, which helps block cancer cells from growing. Sulforaphane works by stopping cancer cells from dividing and also helps the body get rid of toxins. Eating broccoli just a few times a week can make a real difference. Steam it, stir fry it, or even eat it raw with a healthy dip. 2. Garlic. Garlic is more than just a tasty ingredient, it's a natural medicine. It has a compound called allicin which has been shown to kill cancer cells in test tubes. Garlic can also boost the immune system and reduce inflammation in the body, which makes it harder for cancer to grow. For the best results, crush or chop garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. Try adding it to soups, sauces, or roasted vegetables. 3. Green tea. Green tea is packed with EGCG, an antioxidant that may block blood supply to tumors, slowing or stopping their growth. This means cancer cells don't get the nutrients they need to survive. It's like cutting off their food supply. Drinking 1 or 2 cups of green tea a day can be a great habit. It's easy, relaxing, and full of health benefits. Turmeric is a golden spice often used in curry dishes, and it has a powerful ingredient called curcumin. Curcumin has been found to slow the spread of cancer cells and even cause them to die. It also helps reduce inflammation, which plays a big role in cancer development. You can add turmeric to smoothies, soups, or warm drinks. Just don't forget to pair it with black pepper to help your body absorb it better. 5. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a red pigment that's a strong antioxidant. Lycopene may help lower the risk of prostate, lung, and stomach cancers. Interestingly, cooking tomatoes, like in sauces or soups, makes the lycopene even stronger and easier for the body to use. Try adding cooked tomatoes to your meals a few times a week for a tasty way to stay healthy. One is a sweet treat and another is something people usually think is unhealthy. Let's keep going. You're going to love what's next. 6. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Berries are tiny but they pack a powerful punch. They contain antioxidants like anthocyanins and ellagic acid, which protect your cells from damage. These antioxidants may stop cancer cells from forming and growing. Berries are also high in fiber, which helps remove toxins from your body. Add them to your breakfast, smoothies, or snack on them anytime. 7. Walnuts. Walnuts are a healthy snack that may help reduce the risk of cancer. They contain omega-3 fatty acids and plant compounds that slow down tumor growth. Studies suggest walnuts may be especially helpful in fighting breast and prostate cancers. A small handful of walnuts a day can support your body's natural defenses. 8. Carrots. Carrots are full of beta-carotene, a substance that turns into vitamin A in the body. This helps strengthen your immune system and may lower the risk of lung and stomach cancers. Beta-carotene is also a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. Eat carrots raw, cooked or blended into juices. They're good in almost any form. 9. Dark chocolate. At least 70% cocoa. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate can help fight cancer when eaten in moderation. It's rich in flavonoids, which are natural chemicals that protect your cells. Flavonoids can reduce inflammation and stop blood flow to cancer cells, helping slow their growth. Just make sure the chocolate is at least 70% cocoa and avoid brands with a lot of added sugar. 10. Mushrooms, especially shiitake, maitake, reishi. Certain mushrooms are used in traditional medicine to boost the immune system and fight disease. Mushrooms like shiitake and maitake contain special compounds that may reduce the size of tumors and stop cancer cells from spreading. They also help your body produce more immune cells to defend against illness. Add mushrooms to soups, stir fries, or salads to get these benefits naturally. So, there you have it, 10 natural cancer fighting foods that you can add to your plate starting today. Remember, food isn't a cure, but it's a powerful tool in keeping your body strong and healthy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone you care about. And let us know in the comments, which of these foods do you already eat and which will you try next?
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel, like, share, and comments.